Alright, we're 15 minutes from seeing Uncle Mike. What else you had to say, Dad?
It's been a long drive.
Yep.
I'm happy to almost be there.
It's been a long time since we've seen Uncle Mike.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
How long? Like ours, I know us was like...
He said 2011, something like that, 2012. I don't know what he just said.
It's been at least 10 years, I think. Alright guys, it's a beautiful morning right now. Everyone else is asleep. And this is my uncle's pond. Beautiful pond, got a beautiful fountain, ducks everywhere, and some largemouth bass. So we're gonna cast a few, try to catch some fish, and we're just gonna do this incrementally over the trip, because we're actually staying here, so, and it's right off the back porch. Ouch, oh, fire ants. Yikes. They have red fire ants here in Florida, I think that's what those are. And I just stepped in them, so it's fun. Yeah, there he is. See that? All over me. Fun, fun, fun. I have my bare feet. Ouch. That hurts. So, yeah, stay tuned. We're going to try to catch fish here. Right there, if I don't get eaten alive. Here's the bait I'm using. It's a little crawfish pattern on a Ned rig. We're going to cast right here, right by these cattails, see if we can get fish. Got one. Something big. Stuck in the weeds. Oh, that's a bass. Come on, buddy. My first Florida bass. Little one, but it's a bass. We're just gonna release him here. See you, dude. Let's get another. Two big bass. Alright guys, just caught this bass. Look at that. That's a nice fish. Got a little snail on him. Got a 3 pound, probably 2.5. Nice fish. We're gonna let him go and get another one. Stay tuned. There's a fish. A little guy. Yeah, here. You make it good. Cool, man. Yeah. Are you sure you don't want to take a cast or two? It seems like there's quite a few in here.
Yeah, you might be right, because I don't know if they stock them, but I think the wildlife brings them in too. You know, and they drop them in. It comes around. The river's right over here. And it comes around the neighborhood, and then this flows kind of through like this. And then it goes by at least 3 houses down, which I thought this lake stopped here, but it continues on around.
Oh, nice. Casey got a big bass. Oh, see if I hold him there. Hold him there. Oh,
I'm like that.
Look at that. That's a chunky bass. Good job, Case.
I don't want to hold him.
You know,
Can I hold mine or no?
hey, just hold my mouth right there.
Alright.
Casey's got a bass
Oh yeah,
on the Ned rig.
I'm like that.
Midway through this trip, we headed over to my cousin's house, who too had a beautiful property overlooking a bass pond.
All right, we're here at Karen's. This is our backyard. Nice pond in the back. Casey's already in the pool. There's Dove.
Yesterday I was upset because I only got one bloom, but I
Yeah, you want to play with the dock in the pool? Or not? Or you good?
Now you give us your toe to drop it. Pepper, drop it. Drop it.
Oh, Pepper's taking it away.
Still not drop it.
There he is. I still got him.
Hey, it wasn't that damn big.
All right, Devin got one.
That was the first cast with this.
That's how you set the hook.
Got a decent sized bass. Red eye shad. Same thing I caught that bowfin on. Slipped over that board a little bit.
Well, we didn't catch it on here.
I got it on my GoPro. Beauty.
Very nice.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank my uncle as well as my cousin for allowing me to fish their great ponds on their property. And I hope you guys can stay tuned for the final video of our Florida vacation. Until next time, slay and obey my friends. I'll see you on the flip side.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love